This video will show you a quick demo for the Snap Pro, the new mobile device from IDEX that is designed to enhance the workflow around snap testing. There are 3 ways that you can begin your snap run using the Snap Pro: by requesting your snap test at the Practice Information Management System, by requesting your snap test at the IDEX Vet Lab Station, or by selecting New Patient on the Snap Pro. Let's look at each of the 3 ways to help determine the best workflow for your practice. A best practice tip is to start your snap request from the point where you would like to have the final snap test results stored. If you have an IDEX Vet Lab Station that is connected to your Practice Information Management System, start with a test request from your Practice Information Management System. The test request will then be sent to the IDEX Vet Lab Station pending list, which will automatically be broadcasted out to the Snap Pros within your practice. Note that all test requests will populate on the Snap Pro, including test requests for other in-clinic blood work. If you have an IDEX Vet Lab Station that is independent or not connected to your Practice Information Management System, initiate the test run on the IDEX Vet Lab Station as you would for any new testing event in your in-clinic lab, beginning with the Analyze Sample button. Once all of the required patient information is entered, select Next, and on the following screen, select the Snap Pro icon. The request will then be broadcasted to the Snap Pros within your practice. Lastly, if you do not have an IDEX Vet Lab Station, you can begin your snap test run directly on the Snap Pro by selecting New Patient and populating the patient name and client ID fields. Once you have either selected a patient from the pending list on the Snap Pro or entered the patient name and client ID, select the check mark in the lower right-hand corner to advance. Prepare your sample according to the product insert. Add your sample conjugate mixture to the sample well of the snap test. There is no need to rush to get the snap test into the Snap Pro immediately. This will help reduce the chance of any splattering of the samples as you insert the snap test into the Snap Pro. There is no longer the need to wait for the sample to flow to the activation circle and snap it. Snap Pro tracks the sample flow and snaps the test at the appropriate time. Snap Pro will also determine the test type from the barcode and assign the correct timer for the test. The image that you see on the screen is a live video of the snap test and allows for you to watch the test as it develops. Once the test is complete, the Snap Pro captures the image on the snap test at the read time, allowing you to come back and interpret the results when you are ready. You can see that the 40X Plus test is showing as a line positive result. The small flags on the side of the results window tell you which analyte is which. You can also tap the image itself to increase its size and apply labels to remind you of the spot orientation. Using the saved image on the Snap Pro, it is time to enter the results of the snap test. Because this test is not all negative, we've selected Enter Positives. We've selected negative for the first 3 analytes and positive for Lyme. Once the results are selected, the checkmark then becomes active. If the snap test run was started at the Practice Information Management System, once you select the checkmark, the results will then be sent back and stored in your Practice Information Management System. If the snap test run was started at the IDEX Vet Lab Station, once you select the checkmark, the results will be sent back and stored in the IDEX Vet Lab Station. If your snap test run was started directly on the Snap Pro, once you select the checkmark, the results will be stored on your Snap Pro. The last 100 snap test results will be available to be viewed on the Snap Pro Results tab.